Download a MerCruiser 5.7 liter repair manual to your computer in seconds. MerCruiser 5.7 liter repair manuals primarily focus on the maintenance and repair of your inboard engine and outdrive, covering a wide range of makes and models. The manuals are aimed mainly at DIY enthusiasts and professional garage mechanics. In fact, these repair manuals are the same manuals factory mechanics use to fix your MerCruiser. The download manuals cover every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting and repair, from a basic oil change to complete engine overhaul. Download your manual now at 911manual.com. Go to www.911manual.com to download your manual now. When you get to the website, just click on the MerCruiser tab. Next, just select the year and model, then download the manual and start fixing your problems. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for digital download manuals.